And in today's lecture, you people are going to learn the summary of the leadership and self-deception. Leadership and self-deception, it tells us two concepts like in the box and outside the box. In the box and outside the box. So if I define in the box and outside the box, we can explain it with different manner. So we can explain person who is stuck in one place, person who is in-boxed, the person who is in the box and is not thinking outside the box. Person who is thinking outside the box is stuck state. A person who is out of the box, he is positive enough. So here in this book, Leadership and Self-Deception, it defines how we deceive ourselves. We take one thing and we exaggerate. We put ourselves in the box and think inside the box, and we do not allow ourselves to go beyond the box. A person who is thinking about his thoughts and he is in the box, he cannot be good leader. We are a good leader for ourselves and for others. If we are good leader, we think outside the box and we are in unstuck state and we are out of the box. So here writer defines a person who thinks outside the box. He does not consider people mere object. Rather, he admires other. He see good in other. He admires goodness in other. He always appreciate goodness and always think about positivity. He find productivity in other people. He find goodness in the other people. The person who take other people mere object, he does not take people as mere object. He takes people. They have thinking, feeling, emotion, passion, feeling, heart, body, mind and soul. So he does not distort their feeling. He does not disrupt their feeling. He does not disturb them. Always support them. He works as a leader. He see goodness in people. He see other people are also having needs, fears, hope, emotion, passion, feelings and heart, body, mind and soul, and they are living with all these things. A person who is in the box, he always take people mere object. जो लोग दूसरों को mere object समझते हैं, वो उनको चीज़ों की तरह ट्रीट करते हैं, और ये लोग एक बॉक्स के अंदर बंद होते हैं, क्योंकि ये अपने बॉक्स के अंदर बंद हैं और लिमिटेड हैं, कन्फाइंड हैं और उसी के बारे में सोचते हैं. राइटर उनको कहता है सेल्फ डिसेप्शन, लीडरशिप और सेल्फ डिसेप्शन बुक के अंदर कि ऐसे लोग अच्छे लीडरशिप की पोजीशन पे वर्क नहीं कर सकते. मतलब ऐसे लोग अच्छे लीडर नहीं बन सकते जो खुद को धोखा देते रहते हैं, हमेशा अपने बनाए हुए सब्जेक्टिव थॉट्स के इर्द गिर्द रोटेट करते हैं और उसी से लोगों को एवेल्यूएट करते हैं, लोगों को मेयर ऑब्जेक्ट समझते हैं और चीज़ों को एग्जेजरेट करते हैं, दूसरों में फॉल्ट फाइंड करते हैं और सेल्फ सब्जेक्टिफाइड जो बॉक्स है उनका, उसके अंदर ही वो रहते हैं और सेल्फ सेटिस्फाइड और सेल्फ क्रिएटेड जो आइडेंटिटी है या रियलिटी है उसके इर्द गिर्द रहते हैं और वो हमेशा सेल्फ जस्टिफाइड पोजीशन पे रहते हैं. दे यूजेस पीपल एज ऑब्जेक्ट. They treat them like tools. They don't think that they are living being and they are having fear, hope, willpowers, productivity, goodness and emotion, passion, feeling. They don't think they are having like that. They consider that they are human being but other are not human being. So such people cannot succeed in their life. They cannot progress. They are just in the box. They can be good leader if they go outside the box. So people, they are outside the box. The people, they are out of the box. They are in unstuck positions. They are not stuck in the box. They people are good enough. They are productive. They always think about other. They give values to others. So here writer gives many examples. He says that look at the people, look at the person. He is sleeping. एक शख्स है जो अपने घर में आया है और उसकी वाइफ रात को वो सो रहा है और एक बच्चे की आंख खुली, बच्चे ने रोना शुरू कर दिया. अब उसके माइंड में फ़ौरन एक ख़्याल आता है जो कि जिसको हम उस कंसेप्ट को या जो उसके माइंड में ख्याल आया है कि मेरी वाइफ थकी हुई है, उसने सारा दिन काम किया, मुझे उस बच्चे को देखना चाहिए। लेकिन साथ ही उसके अंदर एक और थॉट आता है, वो थॉट आता है कि मैं चूंकि थक के आया हूँ और मैं सुबह भी मीटिंग पे जाना है, तो मुझे उस बच्चे को नहीं देखना चाहिए, ये मेरी वाइफ की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि वो बच्चों को लुक आफ्टर करे और वो उसको देखे। यहाँ पे राइटर कहता है कि ये जो आइडिया है इसको हम कहते हैं सेल्फ बिट्रेयल। ही सेज दैट सेल्फ बिट्रेयल लीड्स टू सेल्फ डिसेप्शंस। सेल्फ डिसेप्शन का मतलब ये होता है कि खुद को धोखा देना, और डिसेप्शन का मतलब होता है दूसरों को धोखा देना। बट वेन एवर यू टॉक अबाउट द सेल्फ डिसेप्शन, यू एग्जैजरेट थिंग, यू रिमेन इन द बॉक्स एंड यू थिंक अबाउट योर सेल्फ, यू थिंक अबाउट योर सब्जेक्टिव रियलिटी एंड you promote this subjective reality and impose on other this subjective reality. This way you cannot be good leader. Over here writer emphasized that he first of all think about out of the box. He think out of the box, and after that he started thinking something negative, which is self betrayals, and this self betrayal leads to him towards self deception, because due to this he is thinking not that his wife is not good because she is not supporting him. I have to go, I have to attend meeting tomorrow, but my wife is not looking after the children. So then he think negative about his wife, and he started thinking about against him, and this way he develops thought which is totally in the box. It's not out the box. So if you are a good husband, if you are a good leader, if you are a good teacher, if you are a good trainer, if you are a good coach, if you are a good manager or ambassador, or you want to be a good human being, then you have to think outside the box, and you have to come out of the box in a way to think positively, in a way to impact other, in a way to influence other, in a way to give leaders. Do not expect people to change. You should help them. So the person who is out of the box, writers say that he always help other, he always think outside the box, and he becomes support for other. So here are some points. Writer give emphasis on these points, that these points are very useful. Self betrayals lead to the self deceptions, and the person is in the box. So whenever you think about self betrayals, it leads to the self deceptions. When you are in the box, you cannot focus on the result. You always try to influence people, you always try to manipulate people, you always control people, you are working on controlled paradigm. But whenever you are on out of the box, you always shift your paradigms, you accept changes. So the other point over here, that when you are in the box, you cannot focus on the result. So the other point is that you get out of the box as you cease resisting with the people. So do not resist with the people. Once you own your thought, for example, you say somebody that you have to do this, you order and you say that you have to do this, and when you own this thought, you are part of this thought, and when this thought is not accepted, then you will speak lie, you will cheat, you will even emphasize, you will manipulate, you will control, you will just emphasize again and again, and this way it will take you to in the box. So for that you have to go out of the box, and you have to think positively. So do not impose something on others, do not own thought, don't try to be perfect, try to do better. Do not use the vocabulary, the box and so on. When with the people who do not already know it, do the use of principle in your own life. Do not look for other boxes, do look for your own. So always people see other boxes, what they have, what they are thinking, what they are thought, why they are confined. So see your own box, so you can go out of the box, so that you can manage people easily. Don't accuse others of being in the box. So people are in their box, and definitely they live in their boxes, and it's not easy to break this box. So do try to stay out of the box yourself. Do not give up on yourself when you discover you have been in the box. So once you discover that you are in the box, you know that you have problem, you should try to go out of the box rather than just give up. So don't deny that you have been in the box. When you've been, do apologize, then just keep marching forward, trying to be more helpful in the future. Some people they degrade other, they are in the box, they degrade other, they cheat other, they deceive other, they even criticize other. So once you know that you are in the box and you have committed mistake due to due to this box. So you should try to change and bring changes in your behavior and in your way of thought. Don't focus on what other are doing wrong. Do focus what you can do right to help. So mostly people they think that we should focus on what they are doing. You should focus that what you are doing, because if you focus on other, you will see other faults. If you focus on yourself, you will see your fault. It is your duty to mend yourself, to remove yourself, to go out of the box rather than see in other boxes. So it's not to see other faults. You have to see your own boxes, your own box, and go outside the box. So don't worry about other. If people are changing, if people are developing, if people are growing, you should not feel sorry if you are growing. If you are growing, you accept that I have some mistakes, I have committed some mistake, I have done something wrong, but now I am growing. So this way you can improve yourself. So sometimes people, they do not want to proceed with you. It is okay if people do not want to run. If you like someone and people they are not interested to go with you, but you like, still you can continue your life. If you badly in love with someone and the person whom you badly in love, this person is gonna leave you, still you have to remain cool and calm, and you have to move forward, because life does not stop. It has to continue, it has to run. So you have to move, whether somebody is with you or not. You have to develop yourself, and you have to make yourself best version of this world, so that people see that what we have left, he or she is really a beautiful jewel. Stay blessed and have a nice time.